students, as like we are doing HOTS questions, today I am going to give you the solutions for the HOTS question, the 10 questions that I had given earlier. Now the solution number 1, that is question number 1 solutions first. Now let us just check out this line. Now there is a line called as AOC. This is A, this point is O, this point is C. Now there is another line like this point is B, now this is like this, and he has given that this angle is 60 degree. Now he is asking us find x. Now this angle is equal to 3x. So like as you can see, this is 60, this is a straight line, so this angle must be 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. So 3x is equal to 120, x is equal to 120 divided by 3 is equal to 40 degree. So x is equal to solution is 40 degree. Now let us remove this and take a look at the second question. Let us remove this. Let us remove question number 1. Let us go to question number 2. Now question number 2, given two intersecting lines are there. This is one line, this is another line, this is like this, like this, like this, like this. The central point is O. Now here P, Q and MN. Okay, now here this is the MOQ. Now this angle is Y. Now POM, this angle is 2x. So question number A here, question number A is if x is equal to 60, what is y? So x equal to 60 implies 2x is equal to 120. Now 2x, we have got the equation 2x plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 2x is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So this is part A. Now part B is like this. Given y is equal to 40. What is x? X is equal to how much? So y is equal to 40 implies 2x is equal to 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. X is equal to 140 divided by 2 is equal to 70. So x is equal to 70 degree. Okay, so question number 2 is solved. Let's go to the question number 3. Let us remove all this. Okay, now we'll go to question number 3. What is question number 3? Let us look at that. Question number 3. There are 3 intersecting lines. This is one line. This is one line. And this is another line. Okay. Now the lines are A, B, C, D and E, F. Okay. A, B, then C, D and E, F. This center point is O. Okay. Given AOE, this angle is equal to 40. This angle is equal to 35 degree, 40 degree, Now we have to find AOC, this angle we have to find, and we have to find COF, we have to find this angle. Okay, now as you can see, your AOC is equal to BOD is equal to 35. They are vertically opposite angles. We know vertically opposite, this angle must be equal to this angle. These two angles must be equal. Vertically opposite angles. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. So these vertically opposite angles must be equal. Now so BAOC is equal to 35 degree. Now we know that BOF, this angle must be equal to AOE, that is equal to 40. So this, let us take this line, this full thing is 180 degree. That means angle AOC plus angle BOF plus angle COF is equal to 180, and that means what is it, 40 plus 35 plus angle COF is equal to 180, implies angle COF is equal to 180 minus 75 is equal to 105 degree. This is the answer. So angle COF is equal to 105 degree. So that comes to the end of. So now let us do question number 4. Question number 4 says the exterior angles obtained on producing the base of a triangle. Now you see there is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Let us call it A, B and C. This is the base. If we produce this like this, this angle is equal to one of the angle is 100. Now this is 120. So naturally this is being supplementary angles. This is 60. This is 80 because this is 100 plus 80 is 180. 120 plus 60 is 180. So this is a straight line. These roots are observed. This is 80. This is 60. Now sum of the three angles. This is theta. Sum of the three angles are equal to 180. So 80 plus 60 plus theta is equal to 180, implies theta is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degrees. So this is equal to 40. So this comes to the end of question number 4. Let us remove this. Let us remove this. Go to question of 5. What is question of 5? ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC, this is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. This is A. This is B. This is C. A has got a perpendicular. Like this AL is, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. AL is perpendicular to BC. We need to prove that BAL, this angle is equal to ACD. ACB. Okay. So this angle. Now this is suppose theta. This is your alpha. We have to prove that theta is equal to alpha. Now let us see how to prove it. Let this angle be beta. We know this is 90. So theta plus beta is equal to 90. Okay. Now triangle ALC is right angle triangle. So alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Because this is 90, this plus this must also be equal to 90, because summation of these three is equal to 180. So from this and this, from this and this, we got this is 90 and this is 90, this is beta and this is beta, so alpha is equal to theta. Proved. Now question number 5 is done. Now let us go to question number 6. Let us remove this, let us remove this, let us remove this, let us remove all these things, remove all these things. Now let us go to question number 6. It says if two parallel lines, this is a line and this is another line, there are two parallel lines, there is a transversal, then prove that bisectors of two pairs of interior angles enclose a rectangle. That means this is a bisector of this angle, this is the bisector of this angle. Now this is the bisector of this angle, this is the bisector of this angle, this is a, now this number, suppose this is A, B, C, D. Now A, to prove that A, B, C, D is equal to rectangle. Now how to prove? Now you see, now this plus this is equal to angle B plus angle D. That is, let us put these things like, this is, let us put it as C, and this is F, this is E, this is D. Then you see angle D, B, F, that is this angle D, B, F. This is this plus BDC, angle BDC is equal to 180. So this is, by, if we divide both sides by 2, we get DBF, that is DB, this half of this is this angle which is alpha, this angle which is beta, these two angles alpha plus beta, which will get 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 180, implies alpha plus beta is equal to 90. That means this angle plus this angle is equal to 90. That means in this triangle which is BCD, this angle is a right angle. So this plus this is equal to 90, so this must be a right angle. Okay, now we have got this angle, this full angle, that is BDC is equal to DB. I think I have got this, let us put it as G. So GBD, GBD, there this angle is equal to this angle. So this angle is equal to half of this, which is half of this. So this is beta. This angle is equal to this angle. This is alpha. So this angle is 90. Now alpha, again alpha plus beta is equal to 90. We have got it here. Alpha plus beta is 90. This is 90. This is 90. So this full thing is a rectangle. We know rectangle is something for which all the four angles inside the rectangle must be 90 degree. Now this A, B, C, D, these angles are 90 degree. So this is a rectangle. So this question also is solved. Let us remove all these things now. Let us remove all these things. Let us remove all these things. I hope you are getting it. Please subscribe to my video if you are liking it. If you are liking it, please subscribe to my video, and definitely I am sure you are going to like it. Question number 6 is done. Question number 7. The angles of a triangle are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. Let the angles be angle A, angle B, and angle C. Suppose angle A equal to X. Now, suppose angle C is greater than angle B is greater than angle A. So their A, B, C is this way. It is ascending. A is smallest. B is equal to X plus 10. Because you see the question, you must have read the question. That is, the difference between the two consecutive angles is 10 degree. So B is equal to angle A plus 10. C is equal to angle B plus 10 is equal to angle A plus 20. So if we put the sum of just let us put angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle A plus 10, this is B, plus angle A plus 20, this is angle C, this is equal to 180. This implies angle A is equal to 180 minus 30 by 3 is equal to 50 degree. So one is 50, A is 50 degree, second is 60 degree, and third is 70 degree. A, B, C, C, B, and this is A. So that solves the question. This problem is also solved. Let us remove all these things. And if you like these videos, kindly subscribe to my channel so that we get more and more views. You are updated about our new content. Question number 8. There is a figure that is given. Okay, this is PQ. This is P. This is Q. Then there is a point O, and there is a perpendicular line like this. This is R. This is 90 degree. Now there is another ray like this. This is S, and we have to prove that angle POS, angle POS, that is this angle POS is equal to half of bracketed angle QOS, that is this angle QOS minus angle that is this is R, this is POS, this is ROS, that is this angle. ROS is this angle. So this is alpha, this is theta. Let this be beta. We know that now ROS, we have to prove the ROS alpha is equal to half of beta minus, this is bracket closed, beta minus theta. This is what we have to prove. Now we know that theta plus alpha is equal to 90 degree. This is known. And beta minus alpha is equal to 90 degree. Now let us do one thing. Let us subtract. Now this is equation number 1. This is 2. Now we will get 1. Okay, 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 gives rise to like beta minus alpha minus theta minus alpha is equal to 90 minus 90 is equal to 0. Now let us see here. Let us see here, beta minus theta minus 2 alpha is equal to 0 implies 2 alpha is equal to beta minus alpha, alpha is equal to 1 by 2 bracketed beta minus alpha, which is this equation. Or phi is equal to beta minus theta, beta minus this is this beta, theta is theta, beta minus theta. Okay, all right. So this question also done. Now question number 9: can a triangle have two obtuse angles? No, obviously not. A triangle cannot have two obtuse angles because an obtuse angle means more than 90 degree. Now two angles more than 90 degree, so definitely the summation of these two angles will be more than 180 degree, which is not possible in a triangle. So this is question number 9. No triangle can have two obtuse angles. Maximum number of obtuse angles a triangle can have is only 1. Question number 10. How many triangles can be drawn having its angles 45 degree, 64 degree and 72 degree? This is a very interesting question. The answer to which is obviously none. No triangle can have three angles of the form 45, 64 and 72 because the sum simply is not equal to 180 degree. Because we know any triangle, the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. The sum of these three angles is not 180 degree. So these three angles cannot form a triangle. So that solves all our 10 questions. Thank you friends. Thank you students. Now this brings to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel for getting new videos like this. Thank you.